Just going to run over the superset that we're going to do on the cable machine with Hugh, and just going to run over, you know, what supersets are and give a wee bit of a description on what they are. So supersets allow a greater intensity and volume by overloading a muscle, you know, for a shorter period of time. It's a useful training method if your client requires you know, additional intensity and volume. There's different variations, but the main principle being that 2 exercises are performed sort of back to back with no rest to fatigue the 2 muscle groups that you know that you are sort of exercising. Sort of 5 types of you know of the muscle groups, but there are 5 types of supersets. Sorry. And the first one being the agonist, sort of where you're working sort of the same muscle group. Next one's antagonist, where you're working sort of the opposing muscle groups, like that would be example triceps, biceps. Could be different muscle groups, you know, that can be performed as a circuit. There's the pre-exhaust, which is sort of isolation followed by you know, a compound movement sort of the same muscle, and then your post-exhaust, which is a compound movement followed by isolation movement of the same muscle. The way the superset works is it's 2 exercises performed sort of back to back with no rest in between these exercises, and that's sort of classed as sort of 1 set. What we're going to do is we're going to do an antagonist superset with you, and you know, we're going to do the bicep curls and the tricep curls on the cable machine, and we're going to do 10 sets of each with sort of no rest or minimal rest in between, you know, by you know sort of the time it sort of changes from one to the other, and that's basically what it is.